Nobuko Murakami, a Japanese visual artist residing in France since 1997, delves into subjects such as the essence of our pure soul, ancient myths, and rituals in her artistic endeavors. She predominantly employs folded paper as the primary material in her sculptures, installations, and short films. Recently, she has developed an interest in Braille and integrates Braille words into her artwork. In her view, Braille embodies a poetic perspective, forging a link between the visible and the hidden, enabling the conveyance of concealed messages akin to the poetry found in our surroundings. Nevertheless, the viewer must possess a certain sensitivity to fully grasp the depth of these messages.